Hey guys, good morning. It's Mrs. Elm and Powell's back there. Here's little Azzy girl playing.
I'm in my little tent.
Yeah, Powell made a flirt on the couch this morning. Okay, so I was gonna explain to you what you guys have to do today on this rainy Thursday morning.
Do my school.
You gotta do schoolwork too, right, P? Yeah, we'll do that next. Gotta do Powell's school too. Okay, so here's the assignment. So if you haven't listened to the Planet Read Aloud, today would be an awesome rainy day to do that, or rewatch it if you've already watched it. You want to see Azzy? Today for writing, you guys are going to watch another. No. Today for writing, you're going to watch another one of my lessons. Right here, it says writing lesson. You're just going to click it. And today, what I'm going to talk to you about is chapters. Writing a table of contents in your book. And then that is going to actually be for a grade. Okay? So once you have written your table of contents, I want you to take a picture of just your table of contents and send me a picture of it. And you have until Sunday evening to do that. And I could do it on Seesaw for language arts or writing. And then, or you can send me a picture through my email. For math, you guys have a worksheet on the website called Monster Multiplication. And this is a graded assignment. So again, you're going to need to send this in Seesaw or email Miss Strickland. This is a grade for Miss Strickland's class. And you have until Sunday night to do it. And then you also have another, actually this is the one that's, it looks like it's graded, but we were wrong. So this one's not for a grade, but you need to do it. Juliet Gordon Lowe. So these worksheets are here on the week 5. So here's the Juliet grade. It's not really a grade. You need to do it, but we don't need to see it. And then the math grade is here. Okay. Don't forget, you guys. Don't forget. Okay, can you go over there and talk to Papa? Okay, thank you. Don't forget, this is the NF means nonfiction. And if you click it, for my computer, it comes up on the bottom of the screen. And if you click it, I have a list of links that... Powell, can you talk a little quieter? I'm putting a video. Powell, can you talk a little quieter while I record? There is a lot of links to some nonfiction books that I have for you. And you guys can rewatch these, watch them again, or I have some directions for you to look for different books. And there's also the website that you guys did Tuesday. The Flicks, the True Flicks, you could get on that website and search. And there's also Time for Kids, the magazine that I sent you guys. How to do that, I sent you a link for that sheet for you to use those magazines for some nonfiction information. So these nonfiction books that I was just showing you would be great for your writing if you wanted to learn about a topic or learn more about a topic. Today might be a good day to teach about rainy weather or stormy weather. So those are all your resources that I have for you in case you don't have a lot of nonfiction books at home. I think that's all for today. If you have any trouble or have a question, then please email me and I will answer your questions. And don't forget to send me those table of contents when you're finished with them, okay? Azzy, you want to say bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye, guys.